What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages? Welcome to another Road to 5,000 CTP here on the Glorious Theme blockchain, on DTube, on YouTube, on your tube, my tube, everybody's tube. Let's get into it. Let's dive right in. A few things before we get started. First of all, we're going to do our featured member of the week, and this has been a long time coming, so I'm looking forward to introducing this gentleman, as well as a few news, gossip, and scandals concerning SBI going forward, and then we'll dive into the questions. So let's focus on Ian. Ian has been around the Click Track Profit environment for quite some time. A big embracer. Is that even a word? Embracer. Just a guy that has dove in head first when it comes to not only the revamped CTP, but everything to do with Steam. He's just been a sponge, soaking everything up, engaging every day, retweeting our stuff, constantly creating good content all the time, retweeting members of the community. Just a massive, massive supportive figure for CTP. So be sure to give him a follow. It's at Ian Ballantyne. He was lucky. He was smart enough, let's say, to choose his name instead of putting his middle initial in like this guy did. Instead of just doing John Olson, I did John G. Olson, forever known as John Go or John Golson. Anyways, Ian is a great dude, and I highly recommend you guys follow him. And when you do, get ready for some engaging conversation, because he loves to engage and comment with great content. So Ian is our featured member, and very deservedly so. So let's get back. First of all, the tip last week was thank you for engaging with me and sharing your journey with mine. To me, that is what community is all about. Okay, so good tip. Here's the big get free SBI here. Okay, so here's the scoop on SBI. I continue to support it. I believe in SBI. I believe in the mission of it. Here's what's going to happen going forward. If you do comment, I will still send you SBI. If you engage with me on the road to 5,000 CTP, I will still send you SBI. Nothing has changed. Got into a conversation with the guy who is very anti-SBI and has been downvoting everybody. The way he's going forward is he's only downvoting people that buy SBI. So me, basically, he'll be downvoting my content anytime I buy SBI for people. So going forward, my content will be downvoted when I buy SBI for you guys on the road to 5,000 CTP. I'm okay with that because you guys aren't getting downvoted. So it's actually good because you'll get the SBI and all the benefits of SBI without getting into the drama. I can deal with the downvote. I'm okay with it. I believe in SBI. I believe in engaging, and I believe in rewarding you guys for engaging with me. That's why I'm continuing to support SBI. It's a big project. The owner's a fantastic dude. There's nothing wrong with SBI. There's some vendetta against SBI. I think it's bigger. There's bigger reasons behind it. But going forward, nothing has changed. I will get the downvotes now. You guys don't. So keep the comments coming. Again, if you don't want SBI, just put it in the comment, and I will totally respect that. But if not, just comment as usual. Nothing has changed. Cool. Okay. I'm going to take a sip of Java in my Buffalo Bills mug, because the Buffalo Bills are in the playoffs. That's my shameless sports promotion for the night. Let's dive in, shall we? Okay, we had a really good feedback last week. Really good comments and engaging questions and comments. So let's dive right into it. So El Brava said, it's only recently that I've noticed this tribe, CTP, but already feel this is one of the best tribes to be a part of. It's tribes like PalNet and Steam Leo, you don't get noticed if you're still a small fish. The big boys do all the talking, but here it feels different, and I feel that in large part due to you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate that. As with any organization, the leader or the founder has a major influence on the culture of the group. You are not doing this alone, of course, but as humans, we can't help but look to the leader. Well done. Keep it up. The tribe has a lot of potential with much more growth. Few things. Oh, so I appreciate the comments. It was awesome, man. I really, really appreciate that. PalNet and Steam Leo are unique. First of all, Steam Leo, to me, is run like I wish CTP was run. You know what I mean? Like, I look at Khalil Kazi and everything that he's doing with Steam Leo, and that's amazing. PalNet's a little different. PalNet's like this, even when I started with PalNet, when it first launched, you got like the community seemed to upvote one or two people, but then it was like a circle of friends who upvoted each other. And I get it. That's kind of the way it is. But Steam Leo is a great place. You should definitely dive into that. It's a fantastic community. But I appreciate everything, all those comments. And this is my opinion of it. If I'm not being a product of my product, like if I'm telling you guys that engaging with people and commenting and responding and talking and networking is important, but I'm not doing it. Like, you know, what kind of leadership is that? It's horrible. So I'm a big believer in being a product of your product. So I use CTP. I buy and sell with CTP with the IPN. That's coming really cool. Really, really cool. Check me out on Twitter. I tweeted out an awesome screenshot about our IPN. But again, if I'm not doing this stuff every day, I'm a fraud. Like that's basically what it comes down to. So I believe in community. That's why I spend time in my Telegram, in my Discord with other members. Why I try to bring them together each and every day. You know, Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, we're always doing live webinars. If I'm not doing that, but I'm telling people they should do that, that's being a fraud. So I'm a big believer in leading by example and actually being a product of your product. So appreciate the comments, and I'll continue to do it because I love this way too much. It's an addiction. What can I say? Anyways, thank you for the comment. Appreciate it. Flax is up next. Thanks for the great video, John. Really nice pick with I Am Crystal. It was Rose. She does a lot of awesome things on CTP Talk and Steam, and she's grown a lot here. You do a really good job motivating people by highlighting them and answering the comments on camera in this show, plus setting reachable goals with the Road to 5K X CTP. Keep it great work and stay awesome. Yeah, and it was awesome to feature Rose last week. Huge asset to the community and just someone who, again, just like Ian, engages, comments, is always around, and it's awesome. So it was awesome to feature her, and thank you very much for the comments. Speaking of engaging, there she is. Everyone in CTP Tribe is awesome, and she gave everybody, well, actually, Flax gave her a beer, and it was quite a little conversation back and forth. Thank you very much for the beer. So it was cool. That was cool. I like it. And thank you for the comments. I appreciate that. I don't know why. Oh, this was a comment under Flax's comment. I'm reading comments. I apologize. Anyways, it's good to see them interacting with each other. So the next comment is cruising. So Rob put up, I'm not sure if it's safe to reply here anymore, jesting, but it seems to be getting, keep getting mentioned on a weekly post. I will agree that the best community CTP, but like you, I might be biased. Shout out to I Am Marine Crystal, not mentioning in the writings here, but for sure mentioned in the video, a good person to highlight this week. Anyways, on that note, I'm back on the fence. Yeah, and that's, I mean, that's just it, man. I mean, just like I said here, keep engaging, and we'll highlight everybody that engages here. It's what it's for. It's for people that are new to Steam and new to CTP to see that this community and these tribes here are thriving, they're engaging, and it's nothing but awesome people in it. So thanks to you, Rob, and thanks to you, Rose. Appreciate it. We've got Bradley Arrow. Mr. Anderson said, thanks you for thanking us. We throw it right back at you, bud. Thank you for everything so far. Like I said, yeah, we're building something special here, not only on CTP, but Steam in general, like Steam as a whole. This place is just, it's so cool to engage with people here and to see their journeys. And yeah, price sucks. Bitcoin price sucks, right? I mean, price in crypto, you can't judge crypto projects on price because you'll go nuts. But look what's being built on Steam. Look at the people that are networking, the relationships that are being formed, the communities that are just growing, and just it's awesome, man. It's awesome. We are definitely building something special here. So thank you, Bradley. Appreciate the comment. Here's Rosa's comment. So thank you much for the highlight. Highly appreciate you, Blaine, and everyone in the CTP tribe. This is a fantastic tribe. I'm proud to belong here. Absolutely. And I'm honored, and like I mentioned here, I was like, it's awesome to see you embrace CTP, obviously for years, but Steam so much as well. And the least we can do is highlight awesome members like you. So thank you for contributing to this journey. And you're a huge asset, like I said earlier, to this tribe. So thank you, and anything you need, just again drop me a line. I'm always around. So appreciate you. Ronaldo Avlino, if I killed that last name, I apologize. I suck sometimes. Like I can say, you know, John, but when it comes to like tongue, I suck at names. I'm so North American, it's depressing. It is you that we thank for the existence of the CTP community. But like I said, without you guys, this place doesn't exist. I mean, without the CTP tribe, it's me just sitting on camera every week going, what do you guys want to talk about? And trust me, I've done a lot of that over the years. So thank you guys for engaging with me each and every week. I appreciate you. We got Howie, that's Howard Fulmer, said thank you for leading us to this community. Well, thank you for being a part of this, and like I said, bridging the gap, right? I mean, Howard, you come from an affiliate marketing background, and you're embracing Steam, CTP Talk, and everything that's being built to merge these two communities. So thank you for being a part and helping build this thing together. So appreciate you. We've got Randy, My Tech Trail, said congrats to Rain Crystal. Yes, the downvotes on SBI upvoted posts seems to have stopped. Maybe all the people buying him or her SBI helped him or her understand that SBI is not a bot in the traditional sense, but a way for people to help others by encouraging them to post. Yeah, and like I said here, I hope cooler heads prevail. SBI is too valuable of a community to get the short end of the stick here and get singled out as this. It's a good thing. I mean, it's a good thing for people to feel that they're getting an upvote from their community, from people in their circle. That's what SBI is. It's a tool to help people continue the encouragement to keep creating on Steam. This is what I really like about this. The cooler heads have prevailed. I'm glad that the guy has not gone after people receiving or creating with SBI. Now he seems to be going after the people buying shares into SBI. I'm okay with getting the downvotes. It sucks. I wish it didn't happen, but I've been on Steam long enough to know, that cooler heads eventually will prevail. And this is just, it's really a misunderstanding. It really is. But regardless, you guys just keep creating, keep going forward, and I will support you guys. I'm okay with getting a downvote. It's fine. I'll live with it. I will survive. PH1102, the Mr. Magical Zoltan said, it's incredible how I Am Crystal integrated so fast and so well into the Steam world. She's a really great example for everyone on how to succeed on this platform and how to develop your blog here. She is everywhere in a couple of tribes, contests, shadow pubs, a pimp your post show, everywhere. So engaging every day in this community is a blessing. Yeah, exactly. And like I said, it's awesome to see her engage and adopt Steam and bring everything, bring her all into this. It's really been cool to watch. So thank you for the comment, Zoltan. And finally, we got Eliana, said this tribe would not be here if it wasn't for you creating it. What a great creation it is. We are here leaded by your example and keep the tribe growing and show the Steam world that we are the best community. So thank you, CTP peeps. You guys rock. Those stupid downvotes can't take us down. I am Rain Crystal, girl. You are everywhere. It's good to see some members of the community gain wings and fly away outside of our tribe, but they always come back home. Yeah, and like I said, it's to me, I'm learning so much from watching you guys crush it. Seeing you guys really adopt this stuff, it's amazing. But yeah, just there's a few people that have been brought over from CTP and have really adopted the different communities in Steam, right? I mean, I'm thinking of Just Clickin' Diva. I mean, she's really into a lot of the free write stuff. Seeing that, same with Rain Crystal, that she's into the free write stuff. CTP was meant to be just an introduction for people, right? To get them here on Steam and get them engaged in the blockchain and everything that's here so that they could experience how awesome it is. And it's done its job. So yeah, there's going to be, obviously I post on Steam Leo, I post on PalNet, I post on CTP, I post using Busy, I post using DTube. I mean, I post using so many different communities and tribes on the blockchain. You don't have to be limited to one, right? It's it is what it is. It's just with CTP, if you guys come over, you always have a home here, just like Eliana said. So anything you need, drop us a line. We're here to help. Anything you need, we're in Discord, we're in Telegram, and of course, we are here each and every week on the road to 5,000 CTP. So that's the goal. We want to get 5,000 CTP staked, and we want to keep curating awesome content and discovering and sharing and documenting is the better word I'm looking for, our journey in affiliate marketing and being on Steam and learning each and every day as we grow in our journey. So thank you guys again for making this such an awesome show. I love doing these. The SBI drama, let me deal with it. I'm okay. I will be the sacrifice. It's okay. I will get the downloads, the downvotes, as long as you guys are still creating and you feel encouraged to create all the time. That's all I want, and that's why I started gifting SBI. You know, it's to keep you guys engaged and keep you guys creating, because this is just the best place to do it. So thank you guys once again. Big news coming for CTP. If you follow me on Twitter or on Facebook and all the other social media platforms, you'll see that I tweeted out the screenshot of the IPN. We did our first transaction this evening. We took the IPN for CTP token and we purchased a product on an affiliate marketing website using this, paid with CTP token. So exciting stuff coming. It's working. Everything's looking really good. Just such a awesome time to be here. So thank you guys again. I look forward to reading your comments. I look forward to engaging with you guys this week. And if you need anything, as always, I'm here. Let me know how I can be of service. Toodles, may the force be with you. May the force be with you. I'm going to see Star Wars this week. New Star Wars. Wow. Anyways. Go Bills. Toodles.